Hello students, welcome to MGM education. See students, here you have analytical paragraph writing. That means transforming non-verbal means pictures into verbal explanations. You have to write this in 120 words for cbse or kendriya vidyalaya students. However, for chse students of odisha +2, you have to write it in 75 words. Both of you, CBSE, Kendriya Vidyalaya and CHSE, you are having 5 marks for analyzing this. This is called analytical paragraph or information transfer. Here, information is presented non-verbally, means in the form of graph or pie chart or flow chart or T diagram, okay, or a table, right? This is non-verbal presentation. To this one, you have to transfer into verbal, means in words you have to write now. A paragraph you have to write, and that paragraph must be grammatically right and cohesive and well planned. Ready students? देखो पिलामाने, सो एटा सीबीएसई रे अछि, केंद्रीय विद्यालय रे अछि, सीएचएसई रे अछि. आको कहबे इनफॉरमेशन ट्रांसफर, राइट. आ गोटे ना अछि एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ राइटिंग. सो उभय रे तमे कोन करिवो, ये चित्र को अक्षर रे परिणत करिवो. You have to just transfer the pictures what does depicts in terms of words in a paragraph order. So while writing paragraph, जेतल तुम paragraph लिखियो, you must care certain things what you are going to write. There must be a good blueprint before writing. लिखिबा पूर्वरु तमे गोटे blueprint prepare करिया अछि जे मु एठी कोन कोन कवर करिवि. ठीक अछि. So what to cover? First of all, students, study the graph or diagram or pie chart or whatever may be clearly. See the Here you see the OX axis, OY axis, and side by, and on the top of the question, what is the subject matter of either it is a flow chart or pie chart or graph or diagram. एतिकी देखला परे फर्स्ट सी चारि कानी देखो. फॉर एग्जांपल एठी तुम देखो टर्मिनल एग्जामिनेशन विषय रे देछि. फर्स्ट टर्मिनल देछि, सेकंड टर्मिनल देछि. ये ब्लैक टा, द ब्लैक वन इज फर्स्ट टर्मिनल एग्जामिनेशन और परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स देछि. आओ लाइट कलर जोटा अछि, द लाइट वन इज सेकंड टर्मिनल examination. Now you have to provide a comparative analysis also. So my point is, whenever you are going to write analytical paragraph, you have to cover following points. Number one, you have to write a small introduction. Number two, you have to present the data. Number three, compare the data, right? Then conclusion. 4 points is enough. Somewhere you have to write the causes also, suppose road accident, okay, and suggestions also somewhere, suppose pie chart of opinion poll comes like this, okay. Then according to question anusare you have to make your blueprint how to write. And here grammar, punctuation, cohesive, means proper arrangement of words should be taken care of. Okay students, now see we have to solve this graph which is in front. Sorry, this diagram, this is called bar diagram. Okay, देखो पिला माने ए जो दूसरी तुमको दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट 2022 एटा गोटे बार डायग्राम. अच्छा, ये बार डायग्राम को एक्सप्रेस करबा खाली हमें फर्स्ट कोन लिखिबा कहलो, व्हाट टू राइट फर्स्ट, इंट्रोडक्शन. नाउ लेट अस फोकस ऑन introduction. What to write? Students, while writing introduction you write like this: in the given graph, diagram, pie chart, whatever may be, we study about, right, what is here, the performance of students in different subjects in the terminal examination. Which year is not given. If given, you have to write in the end. Remember this. तो तमे सब बोल देखुथबो विषय वस्तु लिख सारला परे समय देछि कि समय देले पिला माने ओ एक्स एक्सिस, you will find the time. Suppose it is given of the year 2021, then you have to write like this. What? The students' performance in different subjects in terminal examination. Inside you see there is first terminal, second terminal exam. That one you have to write. In different subjects such as English, Hindi, maths, science, social science, etc. Whatever is given below the bar, you have to write. ତଳେ ଯୋଉଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି। ତ ଏବେ ଯିବା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପଏଣ୍ଟ। ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦେବ, ତାକୁ ଲେଖିବ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଅଫ ଡାଟା। ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଏବେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଅଫ ଡାଟାରେ what you have to do? First catch the first terminal exam, then performance of student you write. After that you will go for second terminal exam and the performance of student. This is one model. In the second model, both combinedly you can write like this. Like this, one example I am telling you. See, the performance of students in English in first terminal examination was more or less fine, but in the first terminal examination, see the students, the dark one is first terminal examination and the lighter one is second terminal examination. So comparatively, in the second terminal examination, the performance of students are better than the first terminal examination in English, but it is opposite in Hindi. In Hindi, you see, the first terminal examination, the performance of students is very fine, but in the second terminal examination, the graph is very less, because you can see the number y-axis, you can see 70 and Hindi देखो फर्स्ट टर्मिनल एग्जामिनेशन ग्राफ टा बड़ अच्छी, सेकेंड टर्मिनल कम अच्छी, छोट अच्छी, दैट्स अबव 70, इटा अबव 60 परफॉर्मेंस देछि। तो गुट्टे लेखिबार बुझिगल पिला माने सब जाक लिख दे पारिबो। I have explained you Hindi and English. You try to write about the maths and science, etc. Because if once you write presentation of data, once you write one, okay, one bar is explained, suppose is explainable by you, others will be easier. In the same way you have to go. But just remember one thing, while going from one sentence to another sentence, proper conjunction should be used, right? So suppose you are going to describe science, what you will say? The performance of students in science is better than you see English and Hindi, because the bars are very high here. Math is still better, right? But here also you mark one thing, the dark one is the first terminal examination. So in science what happened? In the first terminal examination in science shows that the performance of students was not so good in the first terminal, but in the second terminal they have done a good performance, because this bar is bigger than the dark bar, lighter bar is bigger than the dark bar, right? Here the lighter bar shows good performance, means lighter means the second terminal examination. देखो पिला माने एटी कोन कहउछि दुईटा टर्मिनल एग्जामिनेशन देछि, फर्स्ट टर्मिनल सेकंड टर्मिनल, ठीक ब्लैक दुस्तवाटा होछि फर्स्ट टर्मिनल आ लाइट थिबाटा होछि सेकंड टर्मिनल। तो सब्जेक्ट जा कोन देछि इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मैथ्स, साइंस एक्सेट्रा। सो आई रे ओ वाई एक्सिस साइड को फोकस करिवो, सिठी तुमको देछि 10 20 30 40 60 70 एमति देछि ना, और द साइज ऑफ बार को तुम देखि दबो। अच्छा देखला परे परफॉर्मेंस कोटा बेटर कोटा लेस, एटा कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस से देछि पिलान क्वेश्चन देखो, स्टडी द फॉलोइंग बार शोइंग ए कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स, एनालिसिस ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स परफॉर्मेंस इन डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स इन द टर्मिनल एग्जाम सब पिलान गागल दुईटा देछि फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड। एनीवे लास्ट कंक्लूजन लिखि दबो, कोन कंक्लूजन रे कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस को प्रेजेंट कर दो। सो प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डाटा होछि सेकंड, एंड देन कंपैरिजन ऑफ डाटा, एंड लास्ट को कंक्लूजन। कंक्लूजन रे एमति लिखियो पिला माने, thus we came to know that, or to sum up the main points, anyone you choose, लिखियो the performance of students are found to be better in mathematics and science in both the first and second terminal examination, but the performance of students are found to be very poor in Hindi and English compared to math, science. in the last two terminal examination. Which year? The year is not given here. If year is given, you have to mention in 22 or in 2021 or 2019, whatever given. It is not given here, no matter. But remember, somewhere time is given, you have to mention in the end. Okay, students, I hope you understood. This is an example I have given you of writing analytical paragraph. So the point coverage I am telling you again. Number one, introduction line. Okay. Number two, presentation of data. Number three, comparison of data. Number four, conclusion. In this way, prepare a blueprint and try to write. Okay, students. Thank you very much. Please join MGM Education. This one you connect with my channel. So time to time I am going to cover all your course, Kendra Vidyalaya students and cbse students, chse students. Right? जोड़ी हो जाओ, सब्सक्राइब करनी हो. जो टाइम टू टाइम गोटे गोटे कॉन्सेप्ट कहूँ मु तुम आराम से घर बस देखी पार. यू कैन सी दिस एंड यू कैन लर्न. Okay, students. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.